Hello students, let us study about oxoacids of sulphur. Actually, sulphur forms a number of oxoacids, but we need to study only 4 important oxoacids of sulphur. They are sulfuric acid, sulfurous acid, peroxodisulfuric acid, pyrosulfuric acid. So these are the most important oxoacids of sulphur. So let us see the structure of these oxoacids. Structure. So before drawing the structure, we have to learn the skeletal structure of sulphur. So the skeletal structure of sulphur is just like this, and maybe in the form of a tetrahedral fashion. So by knowing this skeletal structure, we can easily draw all the structures of these oxoacids. So this is the skeletal structure of sulphur. So here there is a double bond, here there is a double bond, here it is a single bond, here also there is a single bond. So first one is sulfuric acid H2SO4. So we can draw the skeletal structure first. And oxygen will be going with this double bond, and the rest of the group that is attached with single bond. So this is actually H2SO4. So H2SO4. So this is the structure of sulfuric acid. So first of all, we will draw the structure of this skeletal structure of sulphur. Then we can attach all the atoms. So this is the structure of sulfuric acid. Then next one is sulfurous acid. Sulfurous acid, again we can draw the skeletal structure like this, and it is H2SO3. So here we can remove this double bond and we can draw 2 lone pairs. So here this is the structure of sulfurous acid H2SO3. H2SO3. This is the second structure. Then next one is peroxodisulfuric acid. So peroxo. So when we see peroxo, there should be an OO linkage, or we can say it will be SOOS linkage. So OO linkage will be there. This is actually peroxy linkage. So peroxy linkage will be here. So there will be SOO linkage is here in the case of peroxodisulfuric acid. So we can draw the rest of the bonds, that is the skeletal structure of this S, here also the skeletal structure of this S, and we can give oxygen with double bonds and OH with single bonds. So this will be H2S2O8, H2S2O8. So 8 oxygen atoms are here. So this is actually a peroxy linkage. So there will be OO linkages here. So it is SOOS. So this is the third one. Then the fourth one is pyrosulfuric acid. Here we can expect an SOS linkage. SOS linkage is here, and we can draw the rest of the bonds. Oxygen and hydrogen. Oxygen, OH. So SOS, that is for pyrosulfuric acid. Here it is H2S2O7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So H2S2O7. This is the fourth structure. So if you know the skeletal structure of sulphur in a tetrahedral fashion, we can easily draw all the structures of these oxoacids of sulphur. So this is about the structure of oxoacids of sulphur.